Hello guys, good evening all of you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And what type of video do you have need? Please comment the comment section. Today I will discuss some important formula about mensuration. Mensuration. One number area of rectangle length multiply breadth. Perimeter of rectangle 2 multiply length plus breadth. Area of square side or side into side. Perimeter of square 4 into length of one side. Area of parallelogram length multiply height. Perimeter of parallelogram 2 multiply length plus breadth. Area of rectangle half into base into height. Perimeter of trapezium sum of all sides. Area of rhombus half into product of diagonals. Perimeter of rhombus 4 into length of one side. Volume of cuboid length multiply breadth multiply height. Volume of cube length cube or length into length into length. Thank you.